Welcome back, guys. As I never played before, and I have gotten the Sword and Shield booster box. Probably like everybody else in the world, it finally arrived. Let's get right into it. I don't know if I'm going to open up the entire thing in one video. We'll see. I don't know what's all over this box. There's like a powder on it. I love opening up booster boxes. So fresh. I'm not even gonna bother putting them back in. Just keep them off to the side. I haven't played any of the new Sword or Shield Pokemon game, so I don't know the new Pokemon. I do know I'm looking for a VMAX card. VMAX. Oh, they have some of the older ones too. Gen 2 here. Hoot Hoot. Scorbunny. Pikachu, nice. Sinistea. Wooloo. Reverse Hollow Thievul. And for the rare, oh, right off the bat. More Pico V. Very cool. Great way to start the video, that's for sure. Energy. Air Balloon. Pokekid. And that guy. Keeping the codes. Probably give out maybe one or two. Moving on to the next one. Hopefully the background noise on my computer is not too loud. It's kind of has a fan going full speed right now. Like that. Sizzlepede. Yamper. Clobbopus. Cottonee. Chewdle. Reverse Hollow Clobbopus. And for the rare, Toxicroak. Nice. Very cool. I think that's one of the starters. Maybe I'm wrong about that. Obviously the evolved one. The final evolution stage. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably just open up half the booster box in this video, and then I'll do a follow-up after. I don't know if they got rid of the green code cards or not. Mawile, Gossifleur, Goldeen, Diglett, Skorupi, Reverse Hollow Lucky Egg, and for the rare, oh, another V card. Torkoal, very nice. That's a pretty common one, I think. I watched a couple of other people open them up, and I think that one was a pretty common card to get. I want the VMAX. The VMAX Snorlax would be really cool. Okay, so they do have the green code still. So that means this one's probably nothing. Clobbopus, Goldeen, Zelia, Gastly, Pawniard, Whimsicott, and a non-hollow Noctowl Seeking. There you go. Opened up that one like a goof. Here, you can have this card. And I won't mess around with this too much. Silly Cobra. Non-hollow Thievul. I don't know if there's any secret rares in this set that are in the common slots. I'll have to look into that. gonna be? Ah, another green one. I was on a hot streak there. Muna, Roselia, Choodle, Blib, Bug, Rhyhorn, Sobble. He looks pretty sad. Sad Sobble. And a non-hollow, Wrapped Locked. Hitmonchan, the man. It's actually really cool artwork. Oh, jeez. Blipbug, Baldwin, Boobloo, Joltik, Slandit, Durant, and Centriscorch. Non-holographic. Started off so good there. Yeah, I know what I want also, besides the VMAX, a full art trainer card would be sweet. Another green. You see that right there? What is that? Smash the like button. Shellder, Krogunk, Silicobra, Minccino, Zfogpix. Ooh, nice. Reverse Holo Trainer, Pokekid. For the rare, non-holo Drampa. Oh, jeez. This thing's tough, man. I really hope they get rid of the green code cards. I think they're so dumb. Baltoy, Slandit. Oh my gosh. Minccino, Sobble. Another. Did I have this reverse holo? Yes, I do. And for the rare, ooh, Frostmoth, holographic. Pretty sweet. And I don't know why they introduced that. Jeez, some of these are just like so glued. There we go. We got Baltoy, Chinchou, Slizzlepede, that guy, Luna, Reverse Holo Grookey, and for the rare, alright, Zamazenta, V-Card, sweet. So the V-Cards don't seem all that rare. Sizzlepede, Yamper, Clobbopus, Cottonee, Choodle, Reverse Holo Hop, and for the rare, Copperjaw. Definitely want to take a closer look at all these cards then after I'm done recording, because a lot of these artworks are really nice. Scorbunny, Silicobra, Yamper, Grookey, Coupont. Oh my gosh, I just can't even handle that. And Claydol. So we're down to 5 more packs, and then half the boosters will be open. Clobbopus, Goldeen, Roselia, Gastly, Pawniard, Grookey, non-hollow, Rillaboom. Come on, VMAX. Come on, VMAX. Let's do it. Let's get down and do it. Let's see how many I have. 5 left. Brihorn, Brookity, Krabby, Grookey, Mudbray, Hyper Rare Potion. Ooh, non-hollow Ninetales. Still a very cool card. Very cool. And the Nintendo Switch. Jeez. Just do like a compilation of pack opening fails. Krabby Mincino, Cottony, Thwacky, and a non-hollow Dreadnought. Ooh, that's a cool one. Aurora Energy. That was the first one I think I got out of all those. And that was in the common. Here it is, I feel it, the VMAX. Luna, Roselio, Chewtle, Blipig, Rhyhorn, Reverse Hollow, Pincurine, Pincurchin. And for the rare, Boltund. That's a cool one, Boltund. Nice. Hitmonlee, Salazzle. 2 more. 2 more to go. Hoot hoot. That guy. Vulpix. Nickit. Baltoy. Reverse hollow. Is that the? I think that's the reverse hollow. Yeah, it is. It's like very hard to tell. And for the rare, Osraid. Here it is, guys. Last pack magic. It's gonna have a VMAX in it. I know it. I know it. Spoiler alert. It's not in there. Shelter. Croagunk. Silicobra. Mincino. Vulpix. Dottler for the rare. Non-hollow Marshana. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe. And other half of the booster box will be opened very shortly. See you soon. Bye.